Welcome to the first step of the app's onboarding. In order to verify your Salesforce account credentials, please refer to your Demandware and Salesforce Business Manager accounts, also known as Salesforce Commerce Cloud. To obtain the Account Manager client ID, please open your Demandware account. Go to the API client available on the left navigation, click on it and select the field as shown over here. The account manager's secret key is the 12 characters password that you have set up while creating the Demandware account. For the subdomain URL, open your API client ID, scroll down, you'll get the option of roles. Copy the link available under API user. While pasting it on the app, don't forget to add HTTPS before the link. Now for shortcode organization ID and site ID, you need to open your Business Manager account. You need to navigate to administration and then to Salesforce Commerce API. Here you will get your shortcode and organization ID. The site ID is the site with which you want to import the products to our app. You can view it from the left top corner of your Business Manager account. Remember, the site ID is case sensitive, thus cross-check twice while typing it. Business Manager ID is the login ID for your Business Manager. To obtain, you need to navigate to Administration, Organization and then Users. Business Manager user password is the password that has been set by you, which needs to be entered as shown. Thank you.